What's up, guys? Hello, beautiful people. You know, guys, you don't remind me something. I always show you the videos, but you don't remind me to show you how you adjust your seat, because maybe you are going to test tomorrow, then you'll have a problem when you're supposed to adjust your seat. So I'm going to show you how you adjust your seat. It's very simple. It's like a car. Okay, guys, as you see here, it's like a car. See, it's moving. Can you see? It's moving. Very simple. Okay, then here you adjust this part. See? Yeah, it's like a car. Then, okay, right, we do this. Then here is where you want your level. You must watch. It's going down. You see? You see? It's going down. You see? It's going down. You see? It's going down. There. Go up. Go up. Go up until you get the position you want. Then here on this one, if you want your seat when you are driving to do like this, like you are like ocean, you know how it's ocean. Like ocean, like in top and dog. So this thing, you move it back, move this button here, then you're gonna do like this. You see? You see it now? Then if this one, you move it there, you watch. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. So I want to show you again. Put it back. Watch. When I do like this, when you get arms, you know, then if you put it there, it's not gonna do it. Okay. Then this one, if you press it in, it's gonna go down. Watch. See? I'm down now. So if you press it again, see, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up to the level that you adjust with this one. Okay. By the way, I got my favorite Zulu boy here. Senzo is my pullover. They call him my pullover at Great Town, right? He's also going to explain to his friend Great Town there. You have friend Great Town. Okay, come with your Zulu language and then show them what you got. Okay. Okay, now it's your turn. Come on, get in. Okay, I forgot to show them that one. That one, I forgot to show them this one. This one there. Move your leg. Yeah. No, this one. This one. You know, he's trying to pull that thing. I'm going to, you see. So that thing is also, yeah. If you want to sit like him there, you pull that thing. Here's the button here. Can you see? Move your leg. Yeah. Here's the button. You also adjust here. Okay. Hey, don't break. Yeah. Okay, you can explain to them.
Okay, before you.
Okay.
Na pia nonge. Ndio kazi ya Joe Andres, ndio kazi ngayo. Namzu kazi na yinga batisa ngithi ngesizulu wazi. With design ngashongeswa in English ezweni. Ati bafowethu. Kina liphathini leli. Liphathini leli ufuna isitulo usenza ngendlela. Ufuna ukuthi ke sibe ile level le ufuna ukuthi sibe yiyona. Ngoba manje sigcinile manje yaphezulu. Ufuna ukusehlisa yasehlisa. Level the way ngalendlela nawe uzozwa ngayo ukuthi ifuthi said right.
Okay.
Right. Yeli bathini le
ile ya ocean le into fondo.
Bathini le iyo ocean ulwandle lishiwe. Yeah. Ufuna uhlala nto fondo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mawulisa phambili no ayawubhambi just
Yeah.
wazi umhlanje kahle mhlanje kamnandi la ngiyiphathini leli
Now we go down.
Yes. What's in this?
So then we press it again.
More pesa phezulu. More pesa phezulu. Yakhuphuka.
You see?
Yakhuphuka. Siyawazi now siyazi kahle. Adjust la isitulo.
Yeah.
Like this. Yahlala. Mawufuna ukuthi
Yeah.
uhlala kanjani itrack ngafuthi. Okanje lento ilula nizayibona umfowethu wezama
Yeah.
Super League. Thank you guys.
Okay.
Sure.
Uzava. Yeah, okay. Okay.
Sayinde kakhulu ke manje.
Okay, guys. Did you see what was going on here? Okay. You watch, you learn something, you memorize something, you focus. It's your time. So, guys, thank you for watching my video. Like them, subscribe. Until next time, guys. We love you all. Silithanda lonke rada kofela, silifuna ngamandla, ukuranza ngofu bathini ngesixhosa bathini ngesixhosa isixhosa is gone. Okay. Okay. Jump guys.
Dango.